Special delivery. Mi basura es su basura.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for.
Welcome back to another day, guys. We kind of skipped forward here, skipped the day ahead, but now we're starting here fresh early, 6:30 in the morning. We are here pulling multiple kits. Vic, you got it?
Yep.
Vic has kits getting pumped out here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kits heading out this morning. So we got a lot of stuff to do here. We got a lot of kits to pull. We got about halfway on them so far. Got a few more to go. We got an early morning 9 a.m. pickup on these guys. So yeah, things are just rolling. So thank you guys always for supporting. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, you know what to do. Like every other YouTuber says, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Whatever you guys choose to do, thank you. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate the love and support from all you guys as well. So let's get this day going. Let's continue on with what we got. So Charlie knocked out frame kit number 1 for today. Frame kit number 2 is in here. Yeah, that's number 2. This is just a stress kit. And this was a full Canadian kit. And then we're working our way to kit number 3 this morning. Starting up right there. We already got the first pieces coming off the machine. And then we also got Charlie over here cleaning up a 65 to 66 Impala wishbone. As you guys can see, things are really crazy and it's dark. There we go, you can see myself now. So things are crazy. Non-stop. Those 6 kits this morning, those are all gone already. So as you guys can see, we are just plowing through these orders as fast as we can, trying to stay updated on the website as well. There's also been some new product released on the website, so you guys go on there and check it out. Look who decides to work today, huh?
Always. Not the one holding the camera.
High tech. Tell the good people of YouTube, what are you doing right now?
How you hold it?
Wow. That was a good, long, in-depth conversation we had. Thanks.
People gotta work.
Okay.
Walking around with it.
Yeah, here we go again, guys. Sometimes I have to walk away and go. A customer building a pedal car, so he wanted some nice thick knockoffs. So we got some knockoffs cut up for him. So those will look pretty cool. I just got them cut up on the machine. Charlie's cleaning them up in the back right now. Then from there, since all this stuff is done, it's about due for a cleanup here because it's getting a mess. But we just almost don't have the time, so we're jumping to the next assembly project here. We got everything laid out here, so we got the stand somewhat assembled. Got the fittings, got all the air filters, got all the compressors, came back from paint, and this is going to be something you're going to see that's going to be kind of a collaboration between Mario over there at CNC, which you guys hear his name a lot on this channel. It's going to be one of their builds that they're working on. So this is all the setup stuff. We got to get everything untaped, unwrapped, organized, see what we got, make sure everything's here. Then going to do assembly, wipe it all down and start assembling. So that's where we're going to be at now. So guys, looks like we got a guard lion. I ordered a lion off of Craigslist and I don't know, they sent me this thing. And we've had a little stray cat running around here at the shop. I've been giving it some water, some food. Charlie's been caring for it. I hate cats, but I kind of feel bad for this one. Huh, buddy? Huh, buddy? Well, with our guard line in place and fed for the day, looks like we gotta get back to work here. Bright and early in the morning, gotta get started here. Oh, it's Friday, guys. It's Friday. How, Vic?
Those are big to Monday.
It's what?
I can't see the sun.
I can't see either. It's bright. Just gotta get rid of the little lion. We don't look so manly with little pussy cat, huh? Vic, what happened here, man? Had a little crush? He calls me over here and says, hey, can you help me out real quick? Can you give me a hand? You mean, can we fix your mess up? What happened?
Hell.
Right when we were about to start assembling stuff, Vic, has to ruin it and ruin the momentum. Just kidding me. Here we go. We got the first one assembled here. Notice we changed out all the bolts here. The bolts came with the standard Allen. So they actually got these new button heads in there, so that's looking good. It's all matching. So now we gotta just work our way over to the other one. Just cleaning out all these threads here, making sure there's no paint that interferes with any of it. We still got to pop these other 2 off, or 4 off actually, over here on these ones. I take those off, replace them with the newer stuff, and then get that mounted up on here and get it all tightened down. But so far I'm definitely liking the color combo on this. It's looking good. Once the chrome tank and the hard lines get on here, it's gonna look real nice. Alright, both of these are assembled here. They're still a little dusty. I mean, I wiped them off a little bit, but you can see a little dust still on them. Once we get everything mocked up, I gotta come through and clean some of these fittings out. There's a little bit of rust and corrosion from when they chromed them, so I gotta clean them out, make sure no debris gets in there. And then just assembled the little slowdowns. These are vintage aircraft along with these. So these are all good, ready to go. Just gotta toss the fittings back on here and try to clean up a little bit around these rivets. Nothing too crazy. They did a pretty good job on polishing them, so not too bad of a job there. The tanks are right here. These are the 2 tanks that'll be sitting above it. And yeah, the rest is just tubing and assembling. The tubing's here. So we just gotta get all the fittings tightened up, which that's always the fun part. I did get a set of soft jaws that were machined over there in the machine shop. So I'm gonna swap these out, get rid of the steel jaws, and swap it out for some aluminum ones. That way I don't scar up the fittings and stuff like that. Yeah, well, that was a big fail. These soft jaws that I have here are designed for our Kirks that are on the other side of the machine shop, and this is just like an import one. Yeah, so that didn't work. That sucks. I love using the soft jaws. It's just a lot safer than the steel ones, but I'm gonna have to make do what we got here. I just don't feel like going all the way into the machine shop and doing all the tightening, so I'm gonna do everything back here. We'll make it happen.